The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I'm going to take a look at how to find a YouTube channel's channel ID. The channel ID is incredibly important, but it is also highly immemorable. And if your YouTube channel has been hijacked, you're going to need this piece of information. Before I go any further, I have to point out that if you're using a mobile device and you're using the YouTube app, you're going to have to switch to a browser version because this information is only available on the browser version of YouTube. So I'm not signed into my Google account because let's say my YouTube channel has been hijacked, but I do remember its @handle. So I go direct to my YouTube channel, click on ... more, scroll down to the bottom of the pop-up, click on share channel, copy channel ID. And there you see it's been copied to my clipboard. Now, that is one way of doing it. But what happens if the hijacker has deleted your YouTube channel or your YouTube channel has been terminated because of the hijacker's activity? I can still use my @handle. I simply have to enter it into something like the Wayback Machine. It may take a little while to get used to it, but in this case, the green dots represent the number of times my YouTube channel has been looked at by the Wayback Machine. So I'm going to select the snapshot here. And once Wayback Machine has found what my YouTube channel looked like on April 21st, 2026, I can right click on the page, select View Page Source, and then scroll down to about 182 or thereabouts. I'm sorry, I'm very old school. I'm sure there are quicker ways of doing this. But let's see, there we are. We're getting... That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for End Wayback Toolbar Insert. And I should see the lady from Uncle. And there is a mention of a full YouTube channel URL. And it's this very last bit, the bit after channel /, which begins with UC. That is my channel ID. So if I copy that, I've got my channel ID. I'll give you the link to Wayback Machine down below in the video description. Thank you for listening and goodbye.